Hey everyone, welcome back to SpringHillFox.com. I'm Scott, and today we're diving into the super world exciting topic of AI-driven TikTok affiliate marketing strategies. All right, if you want to leverage AI to maximize your affiliate marketing efforts on TikTok, you're in the right place. And don't worry, we'll keep it fun and engaging. So let's get started. First, let's talk about what TikTok affiliate marketing is. All right. It involves promoting products or services on TikTok and earning a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. TikTok's massive user base and engaging content format makes it an ideal platform for affiliate marketers. Imagine getting paid while having fun with viral challenges. Sounds cool, right? Now let's dive into how AI can supercharge your TikTok affiliate marketing strategies. AI can help you in several ways. Content creation. AI tools like ChatGPT can help you generate engaging videos, scripts, captions, tailors to your audience. Trust me, even if you're like camera shy, AI has your back. Trend analytics. AI can analyze trending topics and hashtags on TikTok to help you create relevant content. It's like having a personal trend whisperer. Audience targeting. AI algorithm can segment your audience based on your on their behavior, ensuring your content reaches the right people. Think of it as a matchmaker for your videos and viewers. Performance analytics. AI-powered analytic tools can track the performance of your videos and affiliate links, providing insight into what's working and what isn't. So you can stop guessing and start knowing. All right, so let's get practical here. Here's some steps to implement your AI in your TikTok affiliate marketing strategy. Use AI for script writing. Tools like ChatGPT can help you draft compelling scripts for your TikTok videos. Input on your key points and let the AI craft and engage narratives. Like an example, today I will show you how to save 50% on your next online purchase using this amazing app. Stay tuned. Identify trending content. Use AI tools like TikTok's Creative Center or third-party apps to identify trending hashtags and themes. This helps you create content that's more likely to go viral. Example, noticed a trend in DIY hacks? Create a video featuring a product you're promoting with a popular DIY hack. Optimize posting times. AI analytics can determine the best times to post your content for maximum engagement. Platforms like Hootsuite and Sprout Social offer these insights. If your audience is most active at 7 p.m., schedule your post for that time slot. Personalized, AI can help you segment your audience and tailor content to different groups. For instance, AI can identify viewers who prefer tech reviews versus lifestyle tips and create content accordingly. Create separate videos promoting tech gadgets for tech enthusiasm and beauty products for fashion lovers. Track performance. Utilize AI-powered analytics to monitor the success of your campaigns. Tools like Google Analytics and TikTok Analytics can provide detailed insights into your audience's behavior. Give you an example. Notice a spike in views from a particular video, analyze it, why it's performed well, and replicate it to that success. Let's break down content creation steps in more detail. AI tools like ChatGPT can turn your key points into a conversational and engaging script. For example, if you're promoting a skincare product, you might start with its benefits, then move on to how to use it, and finish with a personal testimonial. AI helps you craft this into a smooth, engaging narrative. Another example. Hey guys, I'm super excited to share this amazing skincare product with you today. It's packed with natural ingredients like aloe vera and chamois, which are great for soothing skin. Captions are crucial for attracting viewers. AI can generate SEO, optimize captions with relevant keywords and hashtags, making your content more discoverable. Check out this incredible skincare product. Say goodbye to dry skin with natural ingredients. Beauty routine, skincare tips, trend analytics with AI, trending hashtags. AI tools like TikTok's Creative Center can highlight popular hashtag challenges and themes. For instance, DIY beauty is trending. You can create a video showing a DIY skincare routine using your affiliate product you're promoting. Competitor analytics. AI can analyze the content successfully. Competitors can identify patterns and trends. This helps you create similar content that resonates with your audience. Real-time updates. AI tools offer real-time updates on trending topics, allowing you to pivot your content strategy quickly. Audience targeting with AI, behavioral analytics. AI tools can analyze users' behavior to segment your audience into different groups. If you notice a segment that frequently watches beauty tutorials, you can create more content tailored to beauty enthusiasts. Personalized recommendations. AI can provide customized content recommendations to different audiences, segments, enhancing engagements, dynamic content adjustments. AI helps you dynamically adjust your content based on real-time feedback and engagement with metrics. Performance analytics with AI, engagement metrics. AI tools can monitor key metrics like views, likes, shares, comments, and watch time to determine which content is most effective. Tracking. AI can track conversions from your affiliate links, helping you to understand which videos drive the most sales. A/B testing. AI can affect A/B testing by comparing different versions of your content to see which performs better. AI uses historical data to predict future trends and performances, helping you plan your content strategy more effectively. Here are some AI tools that can help you boost your TikTok affiliate marketing game. You've got ChatGPT. This is used to generate engaging scripts and content ideas. TikTok Creative Center. This is for analyzing trends, content, and hashtags. Canva with AI. This is for creating stunning visuals and thumbnails. Hootsuite and Sprout Social. This is used for schedule posts and optimizing post times. Google Analytics and TikTok Analytics for tracking and analyzing performance data. To wrap things up, AI-driven strategies can significantly enhance your TikTok affiliate. Making efforts by helping you create engaging content, target the right audience, and track your performance effectively. Things up, AI-driven strategies can significantly enhance your TikTok affiliate marketing efforts by helping you to create engaging content, target the right audience, and track your performance effectively. Okay, to wrap things up, AI-driven strategies can significantly enhance your TikTok affiliate marketing efforts by helping you create engaging content, target the right audience, and track your performance effectively. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on maximizing your social media presence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And remember, if AI can do this, imagine what you can do with a little help from your robot friends. Hey, this is Scott, and peace out.